Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video we are going to see how we can create a content fragment and how we can add that at our page. Okay, so in order to create our content fragment, what we need to do, first of all go to the assets, and under the files we need to we want that particular content fragment inside our vretail folder. So we will select that and we want under English, and inside the English if I say Kuldeep assets is there, right? So I will pick that particular folder, and what I will do, I will just hit a button create one content fragment, and I will pick simple fragment as a template and click next. Inside this I will say Kuldeep practice CF, that is for content fragment, and I will pick one tags. So for the tags I want inside the V retails, this will be under activity. I'm picking like this surfing. Okay, select and create. So when I hit the create button, so it will show me two options, done and open. So I will select open in order to edit that content fragment properties. So this is the content fragment. Sorry for the disruption. So in order to edit that, what I will do, I will pick some random information. So let me move to one new page, that is pyramids. So okay, so no internet connection is available. Let me connect to the net first. Yeah, now it's available. Let me refresh that, and I'm taking some random text here. So let me copy the text from here to here. Okay, so Control C, I'm copying, and let me close this tab. Now I will paste the text, so you can see the text has been added here. Okay, now this is the particular, I will say, content fragment. Okay, so we have our own content fragment. So what I need to do, I just need to again select that particular content fragment, and I need to create one variation of that. So I will just click create variation. Inside that I will mention it is a summary. I will say summary. Yes, I will click add, and after that inside the summaries I have actions. Like what could I do? Well, first go inside that, I will go to the full screen. Now after going with the full screen, so there is a option of rich text, text is static text. So I will use this summarize text. So I want, in this particular paragraph, I want 45 words only. So I will type 45 words, I will click start. So it will close all the other things and it will keep only the necessary things. So if you want this thing needs to be there, so you can simply click on that. You want this one also, after that you want like this, so you can hit preview, and this is that. Okay, so this is how you can use that summarize. So after that we can escape from that and save. Now we have our content fragment ready to use. Let's see its properties. So it is available under the surfing tag. So let me go back to my AEM instance and move back to my sites console, and inside the site console I will go under the vretail, language master, English, and Kuldeep practice, and I will pick let's say demo page. Let me edit that page. So what we are going to do, we are going to add here our content fragment. Okay, so it is currently opened in the annotation mode, so I'm exiting through it. So let me add one component here, content fragment. So I will pick edit mode first, After that I will refresh the page. Yes, so let me see. Drag components is here. So I will pick content fragment. You can see here, okay. I will pick content fragment. Now if I open the site toggle panel, so inside the assets we have lots of options available. So I will pick content fragment. Inside the content fragment you can see like your particular content fragment is visible here. You can simply drag and drop here. So let me go there. Yes, this is the content fragment, so we will just drag and drop here. So this is the whole content that we have initialized. So let me move back. Now in order to edit that content fragment, what we can do, we can configure it, and element is like main, and the variation you want master or summary. I will say I want summary, so I will hit enter. Now you can see only summary is visible. So this is how like you can edit a component content fragment, and you can add that inside your page and you can utilize that. Okay, so I hope you have now idea like how the content fragment works, and why we need to add text to that. And one more thing I want to like say, you can import the content inside your content fragment. Okay, so if I save this content fragment and let me again edit that, so I will show you like if you like go in the full screen mode, then you will able to see this import content button. So if you have some text file, then you can simply just click on that import content and select your text file. You will able to import your content. And if I say, if I click here test statistics, so it will calculate like how many words, 645 words are there, 3784 characters are there, so it will give you a count. Okay, so this is how content fragment is working.